Here's a fun handstand drill that you can practice using a stability ball. It's sure to give you a good ass whooping. Start on the belly, roll out to the hands, and stop when the ball is right about at your knees or maybe the shins. Right. Stacking the shoulders above the wrists. We're going to keep them there as we pike up into the start of a handstand on an exhale. So take a breath in first. Exhale, draw the navel in, pike up the hips. Roll over the tops of your feet and then go to your tiptoes on the ball as if you're standing on your tiptoes. Keep looking forward, between the hands, a little bit forward of them. Hold for a few breaths. And then bend the knees and bring the shins to the ball. And then walk one leg at a time back until the ball is back at the starting point. Take a breath in. Exhale, pike up. Roll over the tops of your feet. Hold. Breathe. And then come down to the shins on the ball. And again, crawl the legs back to the start position. This is an easier technique for beginners. You can start on your knees, roll out onto your belly, walk out onto your hands, go to the shins or knees, and then just walk back from there. Try walking forward and back a few times to get used to the upper body strength and core strength that's involved in just getting more stable on the ball. And then when it starts to feel like you want to progress a little bit more, walk out to the hands. Stop when the ball is right about at the knees, or maybe a little lower. And then on an exhale, pike up the hips and bend the knees towards your chest. Inhale, straighten the legs back. Exhale, knees toward the chest, pulling the navel in. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, knees to the chest. I'm really glad Charlie doesn't have gas right now. And then when that starts to feel a little easy and you want to take it a little further, you'll start to work on piking up the hips. Maybe keep the legs straight until you have to bend the knees, but work more on stacking hips up above the shoulders. To dismount, if your arms are getting tired, you can simply bring one knee to the floor and then the other.